what do we have here? I got another package for the truck. All right. Don't mind all the stuff behind me. I don't know if you can read the boxes, but they say Samsung. I got a brand new washer and dryer this weekend. But today, this is what's on our agenda. Right here. This, oh, it's upside down. This right here is a roll pan bumper for the old Dodge Ram. Today I'm going to be walking you through the process of taking my old bumper off and putting this bad boy on. It does come with its own light, and I will leave a link to it in the description down below and a little icon up here if you would like to see it. Now, everything, I already loosened this, but I believe that should be your only 6 bolts to take this entire thing off. That rear bumper's off. Truck looks goofy as hell with no rear bumper. Now, this truck will not be pulling any trailers. So as you can see there, I just unhooked this plug. And I also did just pull the bulbs out for these. Right there and over there. Right there. Because I have my own light on the one that is over there and will not be needing any of these. We will see if I'm gonna have to take this piece off, but I believe the straight roll pan bumper should just lay right over top of that trailer hitch. All right, so we've made it farther. I have the tailgate off and the bumper. The roll pan cannot tuck up underneath of these because the roll pan bumper, I want it to tuck up underneath of here. So in this area here, I am going to be cutting the roll pan so that I can get the roll pan to tuck underneath of here. So I have it mocked up over there and I have these spots marked and we are going to cut them. All right, so it has been 2 days. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I am sick. But I took out 1, 2, 3, 4 of the bed mounts. I loosened 2 of the front ones. And now, as you can see, I can pick up the bed. And when I pick up the bed, this piece moves. Because the hitch has to be slid out for the roll pan to go in. I did take the tailgate off as well so that I could really line up my roll pan bumper. But this truck does not ever pull anything with a trailer. I know so many people with trucks, I don't even need it. It's a 1500 gas. I know people with diesels. So, I really don't care. I'm going to keep the hitch around in case I do need it, and I will take the roll pan bumper off and just pull like this if need be, because this took me like 4 minutes to do. And then, once this is off, I get to mock up my roll pan bumper, make sure it's perfectly level, top and bottom, make sure it's flat all the way across, and we will put it on. This truck does more racing than it does pulling. I do have a buddy with an F-150, which you guys will be seeing very soon, and I race him often. So this is a little bit of weight reduction and a little bit of an advantage for me, even though my truck's already lighter anyways. Now, as you can see, I have that completely off. And mind you, it is just me here. So I lifted one corner of the bed up, slid it out, lifted the other corner up, slid it out, and this is where it came off of. And as you can see, sorry, I'm out of breath. Up there was a bed mount, and the same on the other side. And then in that hole, there's also a bed mount, and then there's one up front, right in front of the leaf spring as well. All right, you can see now, I took my drill here, and I drilled some pilot holes that were slightly smaller. Oh, I dropped it. That were slightly smaller than this, so they could still create their own threads. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have number 7 there, and number 8 there. This thing is 100% sturdy, ready to put the plate on, ready to put the tailgate on, and she's done. All right, so as you can see, I have a fucked up tailgate in a few spots here, there, and I got a little rust spot starting here. I am getting a new tailgate, but this is the overall finished look of the rear of it. I think it looks pretty damn good. Like I said, some pretty good weight reduction as well. And those brackets came off it too. Let's get some B-roll. All right, that is it for the roll pan install. That is final product. That is how she will be left. It is 100% buttoned up and ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Might be a little shorter one, but peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.